What's up YouTube, Silver Dragons here, and in this video we're going to be talking about the pours that are going to be offered at the pour party tonight. Let's do it! Thank you so much for watching my video. I sincerely appreciate it. This is just a quick little video showing you the different molds that are going to be available for the pour party tonight. It's going to be super fun. It's at 6 p.m. Pacific time, 9 p.m. Eastern time. I'll put a little card up in the corner as well as a link to the stream in the description. Make sure you set a reminder so you don't miss it. It's going to be a blast. We're going to be pouring silver live, and I'm just showing you the different mold options we got here, and then I'm going to talk about a couple other things like the giveaway we're going to do at the end of the stream. So first off the bat, we got our normal bar molds that you can ask for if you like, and we also have the heart mold, which is very, very popular. So this is sort of a smaller one here. These can usually do like a 1 to about 2.5 ounce. In fact, that's the same mold that I poured this little dragon out of. So very cool. This here is the 5 ounce mold. Really sweet. A lot of people like the 5 ounces. I know I got at least one pre-order already for those. This is the normal bar mold. This one gets about around 1.5 to 3 ounces probably in that one. Then we have the Kit Kat mold. Very cool. Fun little Kit Kats. And then of course the heart. So a lot of people like to get the heart custom stamping for their wife or girlfriend or something like that. And then, okay, we got the sort of specialty ones here at the bottom that are going to be offered. This is the new one. We'll get to that in a sec. We're going to be doing the skull mold again. A lot of people really like the skulls. They came out really sweet with cool antiquing as well as polished. I love those skulls. And we're also doing the wolf howling at the moon. So that's a very fun mold as well. A lot of people like the wolf one. We're bringing that one back tonight. And then we have a new one, which I think is going to be very popular. It's this one here. Now, I'm not sure if you can quite see it because these are really hard to sort of focus on. There we go. It says made in the USA at the top and the bottom, and it has a flag. This is obviously all in like mirror image because once we pour it, it'll be on the other side. But these are going to be really cool, really fun. I'm excited for this new mold. This is the first time I'm breaking it out tonight. So if you want to pre-order anything, all you have to do is leave a comment down below in the comment section. Just tell me which of the molds you would like, and sort of if you have any special requests like, oh, let me try and get it right around 2 ounces, or you know, whatever. It doesn't matter. We'll get it all worked out when we're actually live. I think these ones down here at the bottom are all going to be right around 2.5 ounces, something like that. Okay, so that's how you pre-order, and I do have to mention real quick that I have to change prices just a little bit because the price of silver just keeps going up and getting more expensive to buy. So here's the price change. Anything over 1 ounce poured is going to be $28 per ounce, and that always is free USA shipping. Anything under 1 ounce, like the really small ones, those are going to be $1 per gram, and that of course is free USA shipping as well. So that's what we're doing for the price change. And then let me talk about the giveaway. So at the very end of the stream, we're going to do an end of stream giveaway for this fun little piece right here. It actually happens to be 1.1 ounces. So it's, I guess, 1 1/10 ounce. Cool little fun piece. This is going to go free to someone in the chat. So we're doing a giveaway for sure at the end of stream. So even if you don't want to order anything, if you just want to show up for fun and for a chance to win this, then definitely do that. Okay, so I hope to see you all tonight at the live stream. They're always a blast. I have a great time doing it. We're going to pour a lot of fun silver. Make sure if you want to order anything, you get a pre-order in the comments of this video because I already have, I think, maybe 10 or 15 pre-orders, so it's going to fill up pretty fast. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all tonight. Silver Dragons out.